Angelo DiCarlo of Grand Design RV here with our product manager, Greg Cody. Greg, we're talking about the quad seal. Obviously that means 4 seals for those doing the math at home. Take us through what 4 seals we have.
So we have a base seal of mylar and then PVC foam on top of that, and then our PVC foam behind our moldings, and then we do a cap seal on both sides of our molding with silicone.
All right, why do we do that?
Well, one, it's a superior seal. What mostly you'll see is the butyl putty oozing out of there, where this stuff is good to minus 60 degrees and good to 212 degrees. So your expansion contraction rate is much more significant with this, and this stuff will outlast our lifetime.
All right, so we got no maintenance, long lasting, and superior seal. Where on the RV do we see the quad seal on the Transcend and the Xplor?
So we'll see it at the sidewall to the floor, sidewall to the back wall, sidewall to the front wall, and then sidewall to the roof.
Overall, obviously going with 4 seals, part of the mission here at Grand Design to really go that extra mile?
Yes, we have a 3-year structural warranty that we want to stand behind, and this will definitely help give you a much longer lasting unit by having these seals that you don't have to reapply and check up on all the time, because it is a maintenance-free seal.
All right, again, no maintenance, long-lasting, superior seal. It's the quad seal, and you'll see it on the Transcend and the Xplor.